Okay, so this is part one explanation for how to solve the problems in part one. So the absolute value of a number is the distance from the number and zero. So the absolute value of 3 is going to be 3, and the absolute value of -5 is 5. So you just use a number line to see the distance, and it's always going to be a positive value. Opposites, however, are just the opposite number on a number line. So it's on the opposite side. So 3, the opposite is -3, and -11, the opposite would be 11. So let's go through this. If we have -8 as our number, the opposite is going to be 8. And then -8 is the number we're going to take the absolute value of, and that's just going to be the number without a negative. Let's go ahead and go on to the next. To this one here. We're going to jump a few. So the opposite of 6 is -6, and the absolute value of 6 is just 6. So remember, absolute value has to always be positive. 1/2, the opposite of 1/2 is -1/2, and the absolute value of 1/2 is 1/2 because it's positive. Let's look at a decimal over here. 2.9, the opposite is -2.9, and the absolute value of 2.9 is just 2.9. So you're going to continue to fill these in, figuring out opposites, and then absolute value. Remember, anything in the absolute value column always has to be a positive number.